Asante sana mwanchwa murigeria okisi Hot TV andosi asole ndengenga mbuyole na nigo tugocha eyemo ase nkwana ya bene abwase tugochi kurigereria amagendero ase ewodi eyiga ya Kitutu Central litukoria lero nigo nanyoriro mugeni aiga ase studio oyo kuboria ekerogo kia ewodi eyiga ya Kisi Central gose Kitutu Central ase tugochi gukwanira amang'ana mange aiga ntagete kumwarigania elinde akwanie bali baturigereretie na handa tutebi ngakia kurukwa kogereti ngumukwanira no muntu mwana mweshimiwa na bagwe kwanira elite lyaye mweshimiwa karibu sana karibu sana kiagera nturigereri kurugaria tutebi ngo ngaki ukurukwa
Samarita nkoro kushujaa Nelson oyo matoke koru Kitutu Central ni were bo tigaiga angenegesa yes
gono iboire ga wate banga saya ngakia kurukwa
aigambuti
ambuti
yes
no iboire ga
yes
inkobuli ole kerogo kyobogod
yes
ngiye koro kubuli kerogo geke
ono lende na nonki nereta ngasoma ngasoka nasokire iskali naegere binte binge na chiete ngumbu kora asoma kero ngakore emirimo kinde iskali na iranire I'm into logistics and transportation business namakorokoro na iskali naegere binte binge sana
yes
rocho birakonye society era rocho ne first world to make iskali yes, so I believe it's time ngira nenka into naegere koru iskali ndetera abantu baito to see if I can create change.
Isiku kieyo gukwanira manyete nabo kugenda Nairobi elini isiku kurwa sorongo rwa gusi isiku kieyo gukwanira asingencho yo murigereria atake komanya guchime mono
ara menyire no Nairobi you know na somete university USIU
yes
kamanya gosoka kaenda iskali Texas
Texas
kaenda school ngochia somo pira inkoandia makoro igentogere gwakwanira abu mupira igamangana yechi talanta no ya understand it ekerora ise koire kerogeke ande yake no chiko support chi talanta echi abana bali bagocheza mepira no guseme cheze ende yonsi yes na cheze no Shabana
wache
cheze Shabana 2013 2014 ngacheza Madare 2014
yes
kamanya gosoka na iskali I was on a soccer scholarship umupira na aligwaka igo tinga kaneti school fees
igo no understand it mono amangana yo gwako mupira mangana yo kominyoka mangana yo support chitarante chigenderete kororekana ase ebinyoro bito igasoro gurwa gusi
yes and niko kwa hii acting I'm one of the actors bosonga na ara korech movie baresa tonchira YouTube
kai igama
lenge na Ndizi TV
yes
movie nere tu akorete korokwe mechando ya masoti
ninyeroche yuka pesalia
I have promoted more than 20 movies ase orogongoro rwagusi tobwate movie launch by the way
okay ndio korekana
on the 20th
of this month
yes kuma scenes every baby ane na kali town yali location to be confirmed Kwanza place I believe
Kwanza
yes so bado na yabatinda ayo kerogeke which I believe mtapata naendelea kusupport talent
okay asante sana umwanchiwa umuriria okisi Hot TV muna mwigule nikongenda tukukwana ya masemo no mweshimiwa ukurukwa Nelson Matoke yotabiranga nabwateganga yokubulia ekirugo kyo obo MCA aiga ase ewodi ya Kitutu Central abwasa tebiranga nabwate okugania gukoreta amaonchorerio anene ekero arachiko chorwa ase ekirugo ekeiga ningirane nande asale achigutumanya amange ekirugo eke ogochia kubulia kyo obo MCA enere ntunde ntangani ogochikubulia gose ande yake kwaraboliri kuruchinga kichambagega
enere ntunde ntangani yes
enere ntunde ntangani ogochikubulia ase obochori bugocha bwa 2027
yes
ninke koro cyo gochikokora unique kiagarire ogochikubulia kirugo eke getana gokorwa
MCA ito is a very good person lakini gari limited to information intege tangani are limited to information technology
yes
kwa siku hizi naona mtandao yote live somebody is behind the cameras or you know monto lazima have computer safi kagere kenege ntokoruga na air kuna kushare kuna and this is a part of the job So unaona hata nyinyi mnapata kipato kwa hii.
Yes.
Hizi si vitu MCA wetu wanaweza relate with. Right now niko na kazi za dispatch.
Yes.
Niko na kazi za data annotation, article writing,
Okay.
JavaScript. Because yewe metienyi sita nane bana babo cha bakora kubwate computer.
Yes.
Tuanya kubatabatayiga kumabwaso.
Okay.
Ebine binto MCA to no miari but he is limited to information. Orojitane korubinyo Roma.
Na boko mbekere disclaimer gabo according to
According to me, Nelson Matoke, we have
Yes.
a very good MCA. Lakini are limited to information.
No, now, whatever thing are limited to information according to you and not according to Kiss Hot TV.
Yes.
Bono, asengenchwaye no bwato ukoyuka kwa mangana ya mawasiliano. Nchira ki ogochikoene kinga ebijana byonzi biri bikorwa ase award yega nko babire exposed. Bachake kubwatia mangana aya ate kubakonya na hanchira ki arachi kubakonya sama tukagocha.
Bono, tali lazima nge kuchukura manyango bonye hakoni. Kuna nateba we are promoting talent.
Yes.
Yento yakabere nimbuate a dispatch center.
Yes.
Abana tumbegeta sigete kanobo computer. Bakonya onkora dispatch wako. Bakolige amakorokore mesigo iska America. Nimbuata abantu bakora data annotation,
Yes.
article writing.
Aha.
Chichira na ndichiro. I am limited to resources and the number of people that I can help at a go. Kiagera ekerole serikali you can use county resources or government resources.
Yes.
Kwa bana loans, church laptop. Banideti proxies, banideti internet kongya.
Yes.
So it's at the moment I can only help a few people.
Yes.
Kiagera, you know, I'm just
Na kwigula kugukwana enjira kwa biri kugusira ekegori egeke anene ali ekerore isiko aiga bono Kenya tucha se county ya Kisii nubwate byombe bibiro bitatu iga bya baburaka ose vijana wa supportiri as of now.
yes. Tubuate buna nate
acting iko mangana ya content
entertainment industry guys.
Yes.
I'm one of the pioneers behind Babo, Soro, Babo Kemunto, Babo Kyondo. I've worked with all these people. Na tumesaidiana in so many ways.
Okay.
And we are still working on a lot of projects. Igoro yabangina ababoraka
Yes.
and ababale disabled. At the moment na abantu babiri batatu twagorere chi wheelchair na crutches, but we want to do it on a large scale.
Okay.
Because like I said, in the limited to resources.
Yeah.
But ukiingia kwa serikali unajua hawa watu hawa vilema na disabled people
Yana bantu bamenyete na obole maru kugusi yes.
Mbabu ate they are tax exempt. Bali kwa kana tax.
Yes.
Lakini orocha naona redi yako goromo gati badongo akanirale tax. Wono okorra kuwa na yalengenga bunankuire kirogeke.
Yes.
Toko baroselie kiti onde bwensi ole malete agwe wheelchair onde bwensi otaete crutches ama lioko babe facilitated for free, you know, because hao ni watu wetu na since wako able ku work kama sisi sometimes tunaweza shikana we help them.
Na kira chi konyarekana ikegere county neroge konyora chibesa ku national government ninyarekane ngana ibwe kugochiko fight mune MCA ye ward ye elindo nyole support elio egochia kohena na amaliogo abosa gochia sabantu bamenyete no bale maru on which ground ngakyo gochibokora
as a ward tunalipa tax. So ni number one, mimi nikishinda kura sitawadanganya ati sitafanya kazi na national development, national government. Nitafanya kazi na national government but in consultation with my people.
Okay.
Kwanye ginkorangeli ku Nairobi otokwanda twese. Osengo chamba tenga twarangeli ko tira tole. Pakwanga.
Yes.
So I will mobilize.
Okay.
I know people in government. Ni sababu sina authority. And that's
how do you have other connections? Yes.
And if the government won't help us, we have donors, tuko na marafiki, tuko na investors. We actually tuko na watu wa Kisii wenye wanataka kusaidia watu wao.
Yes.
But they believe there's a lot of corruption.
Okay.
And there's no protocol. So once there's systems in place, lakini gentokera be so easy.
Okay. Wakwanira mangana information wakwanira muno gochikokora. Wakwanira mangana ya abantu bamenyete no bole maru. Bono take tukwanire abangina bali baburaka.
Bangi naba boraka, there is one challenge na gondwe vinyoromo.
Yes.
Ekeromo gaka gosira. Abangi naba bakongewe bitina somehow.
Yeah.
It's been rampant. Bakongewe bitina iga abande baro kwa barogi, abande baro kubosenga ki baseli. And most of the time is because of land. Hizi crisis za mashamba.
Bantu batete kuira malemo.
Amalemo. So, yenteke tangani. This is just an advice.
Yes.
Asa abantu bali munyu omete. It's important mwatige win. Wase mwarangeria abanyakenya batatu bane batano.
Yes.
Mwabate inga kiyomo chino mota etobe. Ende rimo kwanda moro koleme biasi. Rimo kwanda zayuni. Mogo totikane mechando man.
Wasangi no ligete wilinga muntu getenere na atiga. Na ekero twarule asogo konye community mangana yugwakwanira baboraka wakwanira mangana y'ibijana. Ntubwate amagenderande buno bwagachi gwechipara ase wodiye noro chinga chipara nchire chitana korosigwa ande yake karoreire ekeroge keiga oguchigo chakira.
Yes. Actually Kitutu Central ne town.
Yes.
Lakini go koligereri our roads are poor.
Are impassable.
They are not impassable per se, but they are very poor.
Okay.
Echire unabona ko Rujokville mahata.
Yes.
Osoe gocha imoege tikia barogyo sokere paka butimo inochikonda.
Mangana abu semo shirikisho abu
shirikisho yonse. Eline vumbi echiro.
Yes.
Ne town. Manyanga a distance Koru town paka shirikisho na Koru town paka Nyanchwa is the same. Lakini hatuna malami hapa ndani. Haya. Lighting system.
Yes.
Taya nchirima. Boni wote nene gabo tuko. Chitayo gochirole town.
Security lights.
Yes. Wote nene town yori gereli the opposite way. Aya taya nchio botukenga botuko.
Ege sunte karo.
Ege sunte pi. Na hapa tuko town. Buna ngote ndire pagate birenga amajambasi yonsi gamenya tarali aliegesa.
Abasalia.
Kibale gotebera igo singenjo liyako minyoki ukorwe town ya maete gesuntenkera.
Oh yes.
Agotamaga gosoma uchi. Ono barabu babuganga nabantu baito bakora. But our people are very good people. Na nabantu bari family oriented.
Yes.
But security si nzuri sababu hatuna stima.
Yes.
Na hii stima ita increase value ya shamba.
Okay.
Korocha bani go bolemo 50 by 100 rogorali boko ni kunyancho.
Yes.
Boko ni up to 5 million. Aiga se ita
abantu badage.
1.5.
Yes.
Ukiona tofauti ni sababu pale kuna mataa na lami hapa hakuna.
Okay.
That's the only difference.
Igwese
korete rami man.
Yes.
Ima tena beta bega CMC but I can oversight.
Okay.
Abongo I can sweet talk the MP, mo governor, hata president akikuja. Ni kuomba tu na uombe watu wako because we pay tax.
Oise kuligele mangana igwa kwanira security kobeka security lights. Omwe MCA tali konyora support mono yogushugulikira mangana ayo. Ngakyo gukikokora igasi elikoko kini obwa matebwao no yorabe omujumbe.
Ebinte by the way kuna kitu inaitwa adopt a light. That's moto mi serikali.
Yes.
But the government is always ready to listen. Again to na chanka go. As long as you know the right channel and the right buttons, serikali yetu inasikiza. But hata wasipotusaidia tunaweza fanya adopt a light. Adopt a light ile unatafuta private investors wanaweka mataa and then ile ushuru kidogo inatoka we slowly pay them back their money.
Oh good.
Actually huko nje mahali tumeishi kuna paka adopt a road. Huko ligiri ntanyia limo lilo siepa.
Litenenere.
Alafu ile tax tunakata kwa hiyo barabara kidogo tunamlipa.
Okay.
Because we can't stay stagnant tukingoje usaidizi haikuje.
Okay. Na by the way, mheshimiwa wade kiamo kujikubora lijikura?
Sijaamua lakini niko na team Matiang'i.
Oh, no ora se Matiang'i.
Naonda hata diaspora committee ya Matiang'i. Na I'm one of the facilitators hapa kwa ground. I'm fully inside.
Okay.
Yes.
Asante sana Murieli Okisi Hot TV ni kongere tukukwa na AMO aseyemo na Nelson Matoke uyo tabiri wechikubuli akirugo kyo MCA elikwene kinga ekwodi eyiga ya Kitutu Central guchire konyora oburabu abwase arule chira chyo kwene kinga guchire kubeka security lights asichisemo chiri chitabwati chitaya elio gukinia oburabu asichisemo na gukinia security gago sabanga ekero araichie koira ekerugo ekeiga goikate mebuna konyara koleta amaonjoriro kolenganiwa na bali babere bagwikaransa sekero geke ase amatuko amagega umushimi wa Nelson amangana ya mache abangena naro abasumbuete sana ekero gokora obutuki bwa gusokora benchmarking gutara igana aria okora ng'abantu mbaisanegete na obokoreri bwo koenanwa kwa mache
no aiga story ekenekio ngongi keregora
yes
MCA ajitekalema bajitene ngakio drill yeli
yes lyo gukunya mache
bagatigeraje
budget go complete
we don't understand
chibese jasogete according to your own
ikorokoro lili tare gocha ne drill bosa onchi soget but the project is not complete. It's been more than 4 years yes akorege nteke project yeteraba complete boni gabana to kwa ne binyoroma there is water rationing
yes
tima ito se chinse mo chanya njungo kolere but diga there is a lot of water rationing amachi mogosie kerumo ko
oh
kuna stima yanga kwa ndongo korawa mogosie kerumo ko
mwana kuboli bune community.
That's why we are here. That's why we need change.
Yes. Yes.
Why is it so? And kwa nini hizi project haziishi? Are they blind projects zenye watu wanatumia kukula ama ni I don't know.
Ayibona na rama unchuria.
Part of the system as at the moment. But tukiingia kwa system tutajua ukweli. Yes.
Igo no gotebanga amangana ya mache na bwato bwiseru kidogo no chiko yashugulikira.
Yes, gabwe in my opinion kere kenyoroke bwana tegetware ensoko ya. Tegara gusia ntore blessed. Mache tori gotuwa mamono gochisa. Chibuti 2030 at the maximum 100 kwa milima unapata maji.
Igo ne bisimo gochikore mande yake gosenga kyobegete biroberi.
We have to drill water. We make there's basic needs. No, an estima is a basic need right now.
Absolutely.
We need jobs. Na hizi kazi kama mtu ako na kazi ya America inamaanisha anaanza kazi saa 10 mpaka saa 6 ya usiku. Saa 10 cha marova.
Yes.
He needs electricity. Meaning kama tutachukua hizi kazi hatutaki ile ngestima ya hapo toruga gasi yate nana. So even if it means us coming up with new energy methods, we can create energy too. Kuna biogas, solar, you can even use a backup generator.
Yes.
Kuna hizi kubwa. Whichever way, stima ifai kukatika in this era. Na maji ifai kupotea. Those are basic needs, especially when you tuko town. So whichever way, either tutatumia serikali for support, tunaweza enda hata kwa mashule kuna hii kitu inaitwa Science Congress.
Yes.
These children have a lot of projects. Watoto wako hii kitutu sijatembea sana nione nje, they are so smart and brilliant.
Okay.
Chi project the Science Congress we can take some and actualize them. Yes.
Okay.
Na kuna YouTube. Abo toko gugu torore bintu biko kole merimo iskali.
Na into tobire teka to bikole.
Yes. Yes.
Asante.
As a
community. Asante sana kwa ule una akwaneire amangana ya mache na chikoenekia ngachisemo chiri chitabwati amache ebisima mbichi okunywa ande yake nabo estimera ale tumuchando bugwakana lakini otebire narete other methods gosedichi solar system arabeke elichira chikupump amaje elio achi gutuka gosatumeka mangana biogas ikiagara estimanero nebwate okugani kole okwaiguru lakini iraisa kunyarekana ngantora ikira mangana solar mangana yugutumeka biogas estimano chikurusibe sia umuguko buna omo MCA go support supply of water.
No. We pay tax. Serikali iko na pesa, mbona nitoe pesa kwa mfuko kusupply? Kwa nini serikali isitusaidia ndugu yangu? Sisi ni Wakenya. Tunalipa ushuru.
Yes.
Na hatuombi kuiba. Tunaomba kupatia watu wetu. Sometimes I feel the open mouth gets fed. Olio kwa sabanero ukorageri.
Nero ukorageri.
Teora asieko monuga oigorwa mo.
Obetereri ukorageri.
So, mimi sijaona MCA wangu akienda Nairobi kuchukua maendeleo. Lakini nginyorte mbacheta bakaya ku 20,000 bakaira.
A disclaimer according to him.
Mbacheta tomaite. But sijaona akitoa watu hapa smart people, brilliant people. Awaambie tuende Nairobi tuende kuchukulia watu wetu maendeleo. It's never happened.
Okay.
He's never asked for a meeting with the president on a personal level. You'll be surprised hao watu ukiwaomba meetings. Hawana shida.
Lakini mayetekera mukomera omo raibwense emoko genda asige kuti toko genda mu MC oyomo because it's somehow challenging.
Who said? What's the challenge? Like I said, the open mouth gets fed. Karaboli kwanzo
eye kwana nere kwa hiyo
toko onya kuboli akani. Yes, huyu president anamita everybody. Because it's our right. Yeah. Talinga ati ni tafadhali.
Mheshimiwa Nelson, tuchenga marao na ali iguru sana yogo konya e community. Inki kiagera tugachora kubuli kirugo kyo MCA ngwa buli kyo jumbe.
Obo MCA first charity begins at home. Ndaitenda ngeanka. Abantu aba bankini bakandageli bakandro nango kina bunango soka. They understand me better.
Yes.
I believe Tinda I'm not politically experienced.
Okay.
I'm just a leader. Maybe intone vinge on face value ntarara. I would rather nge nobo MCA
Yes.
so that I understand the challenges at a small scale. And by the time ngo chiko kina onye kingo chiko kina, I'll have knowledge on how to handle a large group of people.
Okay. You want to give back to the community uchakera as a ward level.
Akanko nyaraka.
Iga utakiteta moya mosida mubiro maego chiko.
Sasa hiyo ni wananchi wataamua. Mi kwanza nitaingia hii ya kwanza. Kurwa bambe kera tiyo agotebatira sawa. Agonde itikara nande torate matema. Agoteba gwasali karasu kato yonde. It's the people that decide. Sina yes.
Okay. Asante sana omwanchi wa omurigiria Okisi Hot TV unatokenda tukwa na AMO ase AMO na Nelson Matoke uyo tebire nga nabwate iganga yokoene kinga ward eyiga ya Kitutu Central guchire guchenjia ase amatuko agocha na tego chenjia onyata kwewa ekiruge keiga abwate iganga kuburia na gokewa igo gagendrete ko kweonia ero umonyene koene kinga mumwakire chikura elio achikoleta amagendero abo ase alire chire chyo koene kinga ebintu bichigo chenche mangana security lights otebiro kwaneira mangana ya mache mangana echibara asichisemo ao na achikuyo shigulikira elinde e community enyareke gufaidika ose konyora ali batagete ose batakiri konyora ase ewodi ekogerana barabwo ngwakana bare ebango omwishimiwa naende ngikeri obwate ogochigokora apart from mangana y'obwachi we chipara mangana y'okubeka amache mangana y'ebitacho naende magendero kyobwegete ekigera n'obwate ekwerende yawo ngakitoko yeruka manifesto naende ngikeri ogochigokora wetani mangana y'obwachi we chipara amo na amache
kwanza nta invest heavily on sports kegero ligera liboni gabo Kitutu ebiti beyond tobwate mbiri standard korunya bururu kia mwasi iga daraja mbili kiongongi bakelire kiaelre ya mbera hakuna kiwanja iko standard mahali tutaleta timu stadium elitali Kitutu Central mimi itabidi tutafute either shamba yenye ni enough we set a sports center sonye te konya alikana because that's a tall order abotoko bwata na ne skuru ebwate geti kere standard
yes
toke develop so because at the moment vinyole vyonsi my sports inapotea leaders wetu wa saizi nobody is investing in sports
yes
again tokiende na lengerete babo ele nobiri Mary Mora miaka ya chiri kwa ramba abumu iso
maba ngona gochenchibire bintu
ngonya gochenchibire na unaona omonto bwa Mary Mora nkoru bogerega mwese konde ebitiro to bwata ne bingi people can train here all we need is just a facility sabantu bago jenge dom babo ba train ama minyoko kiango wale wenye wako top tuwabalige scholarship basa abandege konyalikana baenda bato represent Olympics but we have to invest in sports na sports yeto boneto ngeko schools primary schools uno mupira you can even start soccer academies through schools
yes
koligie skuru ya mere within ebinyoro byeto ere strong tuanda twaligia abana bali talented wacha twababeko
yes
ona abana bali bagosoma at the same time wana train on a daily basis by the end of school tuarra organize inora so Premier League team was tomoto me Europe was and America gosoma because these opportunities are there
ndoche ngaro bwate kerengererie kenge go support abantu bagwa ku mupira go sabana bagwa ku mupira na bali bakominyoka na bari wakwaneye mangana a content creation wakwaneye mangana aya oisoko chorwa 2027 egika kenga nangaki uratake eligo ikirania
oni gabna to kwana ntore a team nere to go support Kisii industry area go so area regional level
yes
so already we are doing it iko FKF regional level wano totaete tumeke team NH team chinde toralete abana babaito gukora chi academy chi high school wako so
babe elevated
ose onye kole too talented if you have a great talent I was okay kwa ndede scholarship so kwanda kwa ligali ku timu isko
ige timu yigwatebire nga asovuna muko na support muko ya support in terms of chianga imepira
wanaingia league wanaingia regional league this season. I actually had a meeting with them today.
Yes.
So tunawapea mipira, uniform, at the same time facilitation ya transportation tutafanya.
When?
See, whenever they are attending games.
Okay.
Chibago chesa regional level. So wakienda Kisumu ama wakienda Nyamira kucheza. Trust me, you have to spend more than 50,000. Hiyo ukiweka transport, chakula, mahali pa kulala kama wanaenda mbali. It's a lot of because you're dealing with up to 30 people.
Sponsors na bange baroro gusina ye
no na bange it's a group yenye wako wamejisimamia kivyao but we are just facilitating from the back behind the scenes kind of. Lakini it's a football team wenye wamejisimamia na wanajua kitu wanafanya.
Okay.
So but because tumeona hiyo initiative yao and I'm sure they need a little support from us so why not.
Oh. Na ise konyarekana ebintu ebyotegete gukikokora because bali baturi gerete kurwaria nabo gusanginga no uri uguchikurwaniriye kiro geke na baturigereretie iranyarekana byakorekanire before 2027 na ndo guchinja
mungabono nalibono onye byakorekana that's better no nalibono moko ngabono mbikoro na large scale
yani chikubikinia igoto gocha na mbinu ngao na ndene yu lakini uchikoyekine
as long as we have systems that work hatu need to change anything.
Okay.
The only reason tuko hapa mimi na wewe because system yetu haifanyi kazi. Zile vitu zenye zinafanya kazi sisi hatujaongelelea.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are only here to solve issues. Yes.
Amangana yobwaga chibwe stadium wakwanira mangana yubunga Kitutu Central mubwati stadium lakini iso kurikiro geke no chikwene kinga mwatwali stadium wose mochi go korusine collaboration gete ne school gete monyore egeti obwagachi we stadium ni gobote chibese chinyinge na kiuse kurigere none chi county chinyinge nchira ikerania so obwagachi we stadium ngakiora chi kuikerania engana yobwagachi we stadium buno mo MCA.
Okay. Again toma tege tangani as long as you bole moboro as long as tonyora so bole mobore negeti kerara niko. Yes, a stadium is very expensive. Kegara gocha koro saving te around there sabantu it costs millions.
Yes.
Maybe up to 500, sometimes up to $1 billion. Each stadium is 7 MC and but like I said, we have investors.
Yes.
Kuna paka hata hizi betting companies. Kuna there's a lot of people in your interested sport pesa hizo betika.
Yes, betika yes.
Just merge with these people, advertise them, weka mabango yao hapo kando. Kiwanja ianze pole pole ondoo konyora mwaga acha kende mokonya kongangora it's a project maybe itachukua up to 10 years tani atinege nto but korosie getina kwarani
the foundation yes
that's easy abana barange omopira.
Okay. Asante sana omuriria we TV ya Kisii Hot muna moigure Nelson Matoke nabwate ekerengereria kinya kiugo chikoleta uburabu ase award eyiga ya Kitutu Central aise gochorwa koira ekiruge kiga 2027 na abali bakuburia ekiruge kiga no kubabeka iratiri na koranga ande ake ningora chikoleta amaonchererio aise gochorwa ukwanire amangana amange lakini ayonsipi nigotogochia kumurigia onye ugochia koira ekiruge kiga achikoto tochikubeka no ane clip ekiga tumuboringa nkirikikeria ekemo 23 abeire ugoikirania magega yogochorwa kokaragate basemi yaketane metangani na atemebuna konyara kora nabwate connections gochichisi chaisiko koene kinga amagenderera yaiga achire goikiraniwa ndagete turagenda break ya sinini etumane gochia koirana baadaye uyiga ugenderete koleta inkwani yiga eyemo ase eyemo ngongorukwa Zadok omokenya tukende tukwana no mwishimiwa ukurukunga Nelson Matoke kwira natore ase kagitari ekitambe kurugona. Asante sana mwanchwa umuriri Kisii Hot TV niko turagenda umutimuko mokeiga nande bono twire ndekero tugenderete ne nkwana yito eyamase yemo Mheshimiwa ukurukunga Nelson Matoke yubwate eganga yokubulika rugo ukyo OMCA ase eward eyiga ya Kitutu Central na Mheshimiwa aiga Kitutu Central tubwate community mbali na ntubwate community bune ya abanubi togotebeke gusi inchira ki urachiko bakonya kegera ntubwata mangana ya okwera no wichibesa gusama ngana ye magenderero inchira ki obabegete bagochi gufaidika ase oburayi bwawo.
Yes, abanubia ne is a part of omugusi kegera nchege sangi boru nubi no onyero chali ima ta banta bange kuru nubia babo sulfa moha sule abange sana. I believe there should be equal remittance of resources kwa kila mtu. But neglected ake.
Yes.
Ake gonanya kumanya wae.
Egono chiko twist ya sinini.
Kima itiko say we have to understand what the problem is. But mbare neglected igorali. We'll need more guidance.
But in terms of just explain
in terms
jobs
of development. Their houses look like shanties.
Okay.
And noena maremo succession ya maremo abo it rarely happens. Nima eteme kana yaba anto baiberwa maremo nubia gari.
Yes.
And these are facts. We'll sit down kwanza tora understanding kikigendrete and they say kibako were treated like that. Maybe it's historical.
Okay.
But it's time to put our differences aside. Orocha bano buna shirikisho maata.
Yes.
Assistant chief wao ni Brian Onditi Otieno somebody. He's from Lola. That's a good thing. Yes, why? Because hapo shirikisho hapo chini community yetu ya Wajaluo ni wengi.
Yes.
Ni wengi sana. Na wengi wao hata hawataki kurudi kwao. So wamekuwa a part of us.
Okay.
We have to assimilate them. Hakuna nje. And that's why serikali unaona paka imepatia mmoja wao akakuwa assistant chief.
Yes.
Because they have numbers. Now ebo Nubia, they need to be given elective posts.
Okay.
Babe nominated to these, you know,
positions. Yes,
because their population is
somehow
significant.
Better.
Yeah, lazima, you cannot ignore that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Igono bwate eganga yogo chikokonya community ye yabanubi koene kinga soburayi bwao bonsi pi konyora bale amagendero kurwa asole usina mangana yechigasi asenjera erengaine
ntuto cha okorega ntokekoro ku equitable remittance of resources. We solve issues, we don't solve people.
Oise
onyo mochando kora segete emergency response yaite ko minyoko ya solve wo mochando ndoli naja na monto menya to ko mosolve.
tukwandira mangana education asinini karo to kurigerelinga education na botoko tabangagere under national government but iso kurigerelia ECD very developed ase wodi yiga ekero kwa kolire uchunguzi yao abalimu ba ECD ntubwate baiside because bako employed by the county government na inki ora chikokora onye birasi mbisaini na abalimu onye mbisaini.
Now topic here ECD, I believe it's under the governor.
Yes.
The last time I checked, na rolenge ko facilitate kwa gache birasi.
Exact.
Kasi an oversight. What I'll do, mimi number one, I'll make sure I'm in good terms with the governor.
Okay.
I don't have an option. Whether we don't agree politically, whether we agree, kama amechaguliwa huyo ndo atafanya kazi naye.
Yes.
Number two, MP wangu pia. Because they have a bigger budget. I believe ukinyenyekea since it's our taxpayer money, hawananga shida, na usilete siasa ndani. Omba hizo ECD classes, more teachers from the community waende training. Yes.
Okay.
And then just tuachie county government facilitate. Mimi nitafuatilia na nitaomba hizo classes na nitaomba watu waende wakuwe trained.
Lakini bila kwa raigura balimu baisaine.
Ekio tinda research buya no gonna lie.
Na nturanyola complaints maybe
ECD haija pick up.
Okay.
I think kwa tenga one needed maybe it's because balimu mbaisaine.
Okay.
I need to do more research. But one thing I know, ECD has not achieved its goal. Yes. There's a lot to be done.
Okay. Asante sana huna kwa igule mheshimiwa Nelson Matoke abaire okwireneria iguru ya mangana y'ikisemi nachi koene kingano onye nebirasi mbisaine biri bikwagachwa amone county government na bali murachi kushughulika onye mtibaisaine ekera to guchigukorera ntagete togenda national politics ase to guchigukwanira murai kurwa asorongoro gusi okurukunga Dr. Fred Matiang'i abwasate banga no ara ase timu ya Dr. Fred Matiang'i usikuriria ase orongoro gusi ntubwate abange bago support Dr. Fred Matiang'i lakini ena mbenge minority nire tari komo support why ogo choose go support a timu ya Matiang'i bono tuwachire Matiang'i factor kira tokugenda national politics kira tuguchikokorera enkwano yito eya masemo why are you supporting Dr. Fred Matiang'i?
I believe in Obomo Bomogusi. Like I say, united we stand, divided we fall.
Okay.
Only get boniga, again to kigendrete. Mugusitara united we are, but we are slowly picking up. A problem where other communities are using the divide and rule concept. Oya mago joko buata.
Yes.
Ogote yandote yabantu wene ganga. Olino bwe community and nero mbuata bono ntutwanya kurwana. That's what we want to stop. Okonyore tote bonya ruto buatiro osoro simbo buatiro koru ODM. So it's like a clash. Mbata etito buatana. Tutota etitora chase eke boekemo.
Yes.
Tobomo ntoyomo. Because ukiangalia we share the same culture, we eat the same food. We share the same climate.
Yes.
We cannot ignore that. And this is not tribal. Charity begins at home.
Absolutely. Yes.
Kwenda community, kwamanya kosoka gochie county, kwamanya kwenda province ivo.
Yes.
Lakini njera teo murata tenga, nga tutigane ntunga tuache ukabila. Nga stop disintegrate.
Politics is local.
Kuno kopokore likuwa bongo. Kotota tutonde buno monto yo national government.
Yes.
Lidiota atako mugusiege nto. Toa buno monto yo. Toma ate buno toko baka. We know who's smart, we know who's capable, we know who's a thief. That's all we want. Kotota itobo mubuo mugusi and the people that have integrity. Of which Matiang'i ndio tumeona so far.
Enkwano nere yachakire gwetana nanga mbale kurwa sorogorwa gusi bale bise magaga ya Dr. Fred Matiang'i bachiko chorwa ebirogo enkwano inga ye kwanerenga bako chiko hangi as Matiang'i elinde bachoru sono bwe MCA osobujumbe inkyora kwanira
into we are hanging behind Obomo gusi na mororo monto le beta ko bua Matiang'i torete of which we've looked around, there is none.
Okay.
Matiang'i very tried and tested, Osoro very tried and tested, Simba. They are good leaders, all of them.
Yes.
But Matiang'i is far ahead.
Okay.
Uliona venye education sector ilikuwa. And he has
security.
Alafu, he doesn't have a godfather per se. Ntuto tae to monto ko isaranse mesa.
Wamwa.
Onye Ruto karali. No monto bogere karali. Na intuo yoito no ara. Lakini bwana moto mo Osoro reports to Ruto. Osoro ata isaranse na Ruto ikaba ba negotiating akiomo busi. Osoro ga ko chia Ruto. Kina kitota tai. Eto tai to monto ekera isaransta, na uli isaransta ali otoko gweshe ito. Ali ngati toko savere ko sama ver. Si tafadhali, we pay tax. And we are in this country, we own it too. Yeah.
Igo mugo chikoba bange mukubuli kiruge kiga and a team ya Matiang'i no ready for nominations?
Why not?
Okay.
I'm actually looking forward to that. Mimi nataka wananchi waamue. Hata tukue watu 10 kwa Matiang'i.
Yes.
Tobekera tirigoro twins.
Okay. Yes. Toka nominations yo ukoire kiro. Ipati yeyo na rogo chikoiruke bandere.
Itakuwa mimi. Mimi ndio nitashi.
Oro mwata confidence isaine nganaye.
Yes.
Okay. Asante sana. Tagete ko chikomo edagike yamo nenusu omweshimiwa akwane enkwano yaye yomwelio ekaro tukuchi gosieka enkwano yaito yamase ya mwiguru ya magendero asinge chuna bwateganga yukubulia ekirugo kyo MCA sobo chori bugwo chibwechirubire na gwasebero gebere na isano na ibire mweshimiwa Nelson Matoke enkwano yawe yomwelio wechi asibali baturigerereti na nene egesaku okyomugusi na bali bagwa chikurase eward ejiga ya Kitutu Central. Kwano yaonerelie yomwelio.
Yes, abantu bami Chenkoro Kushujaa Nelson oyo Matoke. Naongi boira abo Kitutu. Na aliko basaba mumbu atesi okoboko. Ando ndoro cha senko bosa na bogo chonsemi. Onye koroche gentonge mbwana to go improve na bogo chontebi. Onye kobwata ideologies chira konya abantu baito, and you believe I can channel them to better places. To obo chitokwa. Na bara ibali bande mogo sabe biro. Njengo sabo molemba somo gusi. Nyora ntuna banta abam. siasa itaisha, tutaendelea. Yule mwenye atashinda tutamsupport. Yinko babua mchumbu wate sio kwa bako togendera gokonya abantu baitu. And if in abantu ndo chibinango chikobu, but if it happens, which I don't think it will, I'll support whoever wins, you know, because that's democracy. Onko basaba wana ba minto. Tigato tigarege nteke mu buno mugusi. That's the only way. Toranyora magendra to type. Otherwise, as it stands, it's only individuals that are benefiting from government. Akimbia mono for your time, and I wish you well.
Asante sana. Inero enkwana yomwelio yomweshimiwa Nelson. Na abantu akwanira bukalika muhimu nga obwecholi nkwera bule tutigale koba abana bamo. Bwecholi nkwera bule tutigale koba basani. Bwecholi nkwera bule tutigale koba abakenya. Uyo guchiko chorwa ekirugo aiwe esiko yaye nabo nyore okubwatisigwa asibali arachi kubwa nalitorakini amagendero na gukina bunegisaku kya umugusi. Wikira gabo no takete kusikira nkwano yaitu eyamo ase eyamo na iga ntubwati wanjiririe kunde gwensi into we are always non-partisan ebe na serikali ebe no murengo opposition tudigo tukubike bintu buna bire ayo twabire tukukwana is according to him and not according to Kisi Hot TV. Wikira gabo timbwatiande wotuziga kubutura enkwaniga eyamo ase eyamo yoleta enkwaniga kana twalingo gusanga na Nelson Matoke gongoro kwa Zadok mo Kenya na tugendera ukwana na baraibande. Asante sana. Asante, karibu sana. Asante.